Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I love a good body wash that smells good and nourishes my skin. I have been really happy with this Everyone by Everybody Nourishing Body Wash in the Pacific Eucalyptus scent. Now, I love the eucalyptus scent because it's really invigorating and refreshing when I use it in the morning. I think the scent is strong enough to really open up my senses, but it's not overpowering. I love the soap itself because not only does it lather up really nicely, but it leaves my skin feeling nice and soft. I was looking for a soap that was strong enough to use on an adult like myself, but also gentle enough to use on my son, and this one definitely checks that box. I also love that this one comes in a 2-pack because then I always have that backup on hand when I need it. This can be used as body wash, which I primarily use it for, but it can also be used as shampoo or even bubble bath. So it's a really good multi-purpose soap. If you're looking for a soap that smells amazing, but also cleans you up really well, I would definitely check out this 3-in-1 soap. But that's just my point of view.